Welcome. In front of me is a REDBEAT E3, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application, and in here scroll all the way down to System. Scroll down again and select Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. When you do so, it will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and user data. If you want to preserve any of those, to make a backup copy of it to maybe something like a computer, and if you don't care, you can just proceed further by selecting Erase All Data. If you have a screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and then select Erase All Data a second time, which will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, give or take a minute, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.